Once upon a time, there was a cow in a farm and some animals, and each one was a cow,
Mm-hmm.
like 3 cows.
Yeah.
With some chickens, and the other side was some bunnies with some ducks.
Okay.
And each of those they had to split, one apart of the other.
Yeah.
Like this. And then there was only 5. It was weird. And don't judge me, but there was a window, and the farmer was looking out the window.
Okay.
And the cow and the duck, they were playing around, and they were getting all crazy. So they had to somebody adopt the cow. Somebody adopted those 2 animals.
Cool.
So
Is that it?
yeah, that end.
Great.